Hello students, welcome back to MKH video series. My name is Aditya and in the previous video we have successfully completed exercise 13.8 up to question number 3rd, right? So I hope the questions that have been done in the previous video are, you can see, got into your mind, so now you can easily solve them, right? So must try those questions at home on yourself, right? Now it's time to move on into this exercise. So let us see the next question here of this exercise, that is question number 4, right? So this question is very important, so you have to pay attention to it, right? So हम समझते हैं इस question के अंदर क्या given है. So यहाँ पे क्या given है, आप देख सकते हैं कि the diameter of the moon. So यहाँ पे एक moon draw कर देता हूँ first of all. So you can see this is the moon. So let me just mention it. So this is the moon. Now you can see the diameter of this moon. You can see, let me just mark it as D, right? So this is the diameter. So the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, right? So यहाँ पे हमें given है कि जो diameter of moon है, so let me just start off the solution. Also let me just draw earth here, right? So if I just draw, you can see the earth here. So I think the space will be lesser, so I'm going to erase this as well. So now you can see, simply if I just draw earth here like this, right? So this is the earth. Now you can see the diameter of moon is 1/4 of the earth, right? So this will be the diameter of earth, right? So मैं यहाँ पे इसको DM लिख देता हूँ और इसको DE, ताकि आपको पता चले ये डायमीटर मून का है और ये डायमीटर अर्थ का, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट एज्यूम द रेडियस ऑफ मून एज, you can see, RM, and also you can see the radius of earth as RE, right? So आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी. So ये RM है और ये RE है. So ये रेडियस ऑफ मून हो गई, ये रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ, राइट? So let us assume the radius of moon and earth as RM and, let me just correct that, RE, right? So ये मैंने assume कर दी. Now given that you can see the diameter of, you can see, moon is simply 1/4, right? So 1/4 means 1/4. Of means multiply the diameter of earth, right? So the diameter of earth, right? So moon का जो diameter है वो 1/4 है किसके, diameter of earth के, right? So let me just now substitute diameter of moon. कितना लिया हमने, DM, right? So DM is equal to 1/4 into the diameter of earth, right? जो कि क्या है आपके पास, DE, right? So now हमें पता है कि डायमीटर जो होता है वो क्या था, ट्वाइस ऑफ द रेडियस, राइट? सो मैं डीएम को क्या लिख सकता हूं, 2 into RM. So there will be 2RM, right? Then you can see 1/4 into the diameter of earth is also the twice of the radius of earth, right? So DE को क्या लिखूंगा, twice of RE. So there will be 2RE, right? Now you can see on the both sides आप देखेंगे 2 से 2 cancel out हो जाएगा. So what we will get is also that RM is equal to 1/4 of RE. So जो रिलेशन डायमीटर ऑफ मून और अर्थ के था, कि डायमीटर ऑफ मून क्या था, 1/4 था डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ के, सिमिलर रिलेशन रेडियस के साथ भी होगा, कि रेडियस ऑफ मून भी क्या होगी, 1/4 होगी रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ की, राइट? So that will be, you can see, 1/4 of the radius of earth. That is the relation between radius as well. जो डायमीटर का रिलेशन था वही रेडियस का भी रिलेशन होगा, राइट? नाउ आप देख सकते हैं, अगर मैं इधर से 4 को यहां शिफ्ट कर दूं, तो ये 4 यहां आके क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई, वहां पे क्या था, डिवाइड में. सो दैट विल बी 4RM इक्वल टू RE. सो आप देख सकते हैं 4 टाइम्स हो गया, यू कैन सी, रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ किसके, रेडियस ऑफ मून के. सो रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ क्या है, 4 टाइम्स द रेडियस ऑफ मून, राइट? सो 4 गुना है. सो दैट मीन्स क्लियर कि अर्थ बड़ी है, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस स्फीयर ग्रेटर, राइट? सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. नाउ लेट मी जस्ट मूव ऑन. So if I just rub this now, what we have to actually find out here, so we have to find out that what fraction of the volume of earth, right? Let me just tell you, ये volume of earth है, इसको मैं volume of earth लिख लेता हूं, and this will be the volume of moon. Now you can see what fraction of volume of earth is the volume of moon. So volume of earth के volume of moon क्या है, कितने fraction में है, that is what we have to calculate, right? So let me first make some space here. So students, now let us move further. Now as you have seen that we have got a relation in first equation जो कि क्या कहता है कि radius of earth जो है वो 4 times है radius of moon के, right? So radius of earth is 4 times, you can see the radius of moon, इसकी 4 times क्या है, radius of earth है, right? Now हमें यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, we have to see that what fraction of volume of earth, so volume of earth का कितना fraction जो है volume of moon है, right? So हमें volume of moon निकालनी है कि कितना fraction है volume of earth का, right? So first of all I am going to calculate the volume of both moon and earth. तो पहले मैं दोनों की volumes find out करता हूं ताकि आपको आगे समझ में आए हमें करना क्या है, right? So first of all now I am going to calculate the volume of, you can see the moon, right? That is Vm, right? So यहाँ पे मैं Vm volume of moon निकाल रहा हूं. मुझे पता है volume of moon कैसे निकलेगी, ये क्या एक sphere है moon, so sphere की volume कैसे निकलती है, 4/3 pi r cube, इस फॉर्मूले से. So let me just write down the formula. So 4/3 pi r cube, radius, now radius क्या है इसकी, rm, right? So now I'm going to simply substitute rm, so इसका क्यूब हो जाएगा, rm का radius हमें नहीं पता, so rm, so that will be 4/3 pi rm cube, right? So मैं इसको क्या दे देता हूं, first equation देता हूं. So this is the volume of moon, right? Now further let me just make some space here. Let me just complete this. Now अब मैं किसकी वॉल्यूम निकालने वाला हूं, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ, राइट? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ अगेन विल बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय द सेम फॉर्मूला 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सो यहाँ पे रेडियस क्या है अर्थ की, दैट इज आर ई, सो इसका क्यूब हो गया. नाउ अगर आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से देखें तो मुझे पता है कि रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ क्या है, 4 टाइम्स है रेडियस ऑफ मून की. तो मैं आर ई की जगह क्या लिख सकता हूं, 4 आर एम लिख सकता हूं. सो मैं यहाँ पे आर ई की जगह क्या लिखूंगा, सिंपली 4 आर एम क्यूब, राइट? बिकॉज मुझे पता है रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ क्या है, 4 टाइम्स है रेडियस ऑफ मून के, तो मैं रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ की जगह पे 4 आर एम लिख सकता हूं, राइट? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट, राइट? नाउ यू कैन सी अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व करूं, सो 4/3 पाई एज इट इज. नाउ 4 का क्यूब क्या होता है, 4 into 4 into 4, दैट इज 64. देन यू कैन सी आर एम का क्यूब क्या हो जाएगा, आर एम क्यूब, राइट? So this is going to be the second equation, that is going to be the volume of earth, right? So मुझे क्या करना है, volume of moon जो है वो कितना fraction है volume of earth के, वो निकालना है, right? So I'm going to simply divide these two equations, right? First and second. So let me first make some space here. So now you can see dividing equation फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, राइट? सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपस में डिवाइड होगी, यू कैन सी दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड, यू कैन सी हियर, राइट? सो ये Vm अपॉन Ve इक्वल टू, अब ये आएगा ऊपर, यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून कितनी है, दैट इज 4/3 पाई आर एम क्यूब डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ कितनी है, आप देख सकते हैं दैट इज 4/3 पाई, यू कैन सी, इनटू 64 आर एम क्यूब, राइट? सो सेकेंड इक्वेशन से आप वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ यहां रख सकते हैं. Now 4/3 pi से 4/3 pi cancelled, then rm cube से rm cube cancel out हो गया, right? So what is remaining here, न्यूमरेटर में कितना बच गया, 1 अपॉन में यहाँ पे 64, right? So हमारे पास क्या आ गया, आप देखिए Vm अपॉन Ve, let me just write this correct, volume of earth इक्वल टू 1/64. अब मुझे बताना था कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून जो है वो अर्थ की वॉल्यूम के कितना फ्रैक्शन है. So मैं वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून तो यही रखता हूं, इस वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ को उधर शिफ्ट कर देता हूं, राइट? सो यू कैन सी वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ डिवाइड, उधर जाके क्या आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून क्या आ जाएगी, 1/64 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ. सो 1/64 यू कैन सी ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ क्या होगी, वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून. और यही हमें फाइंड आउट करना था कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून अर्थ की वॉल्यूम के कितना फ्रैक्शन है, दैट इज 1/64, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड दैट the volume of moon is 1/64 of the volume of earth, right? So this is the answer to this question here. The fraction is 1/64. So that was all in this question here. So students, Now let us move on to the next question of this exercise. So this time question number 5 is given to us as, let me just read it. So how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Right? So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमें क्या given है? Hemispherical bowl. So let me just draw that. So we know it is the half of the sphere, so it will be like this, right? So this is a hemisphere. Now यहाँ पे हमें इसका क्या given है? Diameter, that is 10.5 centimeters, right? So this is given to us. So 10.5 centimeter, that is the diameter of this. You can see hemispherical bowl, right? Now how many liters you can see of milk this hemispherical bowl can actually hold, right? So you can see we have to simply calculate the volume of, you can see, milk that this bowl can actually hold, right? So जितनी इसकी capacity होगी उतना ही milk ये क्या कर सकता है? You can see hold कर सकता है. So clearly the capacity of it will be equal to the volume of milk it can hold. So हम volume कैसे निकालेंगे इसकी? Simply by the formula, remember, 2/3 pi r cube. That was the formula of the volume of hemisphere. Remember? So इतनी होती है ना? So we are going to apply this. Now हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Radius, right? So हमें क्या given है? The diameter of this hemispherical bowl. So let me just start off this solution with the given thing, right? So हमें क्या given है? The diameter of hemispherical bowl. Right, so that is 10.5 centimeter, right? So now the radius we know will be the half of the diameter. So diameter कितना है? 10.5 divided by 2, right? So 10.5 का half मैं आपको बता देता हूँ 5.25 होता है. Now you can use this as well, the radius, or you can use it as well, right? So जो भी use कीजिए आप. So यहाँ पे 10.5/2 भी रख सकते हैं आप, right? So now if I just talk about, you can see the volume of, now let me just tell you the amount of milk you can see bowl can hold will be simply the capacity of hemispherical bowl. Right, so that will be calculated by 2/3 pi r cube, right? So now what I'm going to do is simply substitute the radius into this, right? So चाहे तो आप 10.5/2 रख लीजिए यहाँ पे या फिर 5.25 भी रख सकते हैं, right? Both are the same thing, right? So now 2/3 into pi की वैल्यू आपको पता है कितनी होती है? 22/7. Now radius आप देख सकते हैं कितनी है? Let me just use this at the place of 5.25. So that will make easier. So 10.5/2 का cube हो गया, right? So that means if I just rewrite this, so 2/3 as it is, then 22/7 also as it is. Now this will be written 3 times and multiply, right? So 10.5/2 multiply by 10.5/2 multiply by 10.5/2, right? So now we have to solve this, right? So quite a lengthy calculation, right? So यहाँ पे आप देखिए डेसिमल रिमूव कीजिए 0 आएगा, एक डिजिट है. Similar thing will happen with this, right? So यहाँ पे मैं डेसिमल रिमूव कर देता हूँ now. So अब मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ. You can see they'll reduce at the table of 7. So 7 1 जा 7, कितने रिमेनिंग हुए? 3. So 35. So 7 5 जा 35, right? Now let me just reduce as much as I can, right? So if I just, you can see here 2 1 जा 2, 2 10 जा 20, right? Then again 2 11 ja 22, 2 10 ja 20, right? Then you can see further if you want to reduce, so you can't because you can still reduce, right? You can see 5 4 ja 20, 5 3 ja 15, right? Then you can see 4 के डल में ये reduce हो रहा है? No, you can see it is not reducing here. Still if I just check out, so nothing is reducing more right here, right? So मैं यहाँ पे इनको multiply करूँगा. So what will be in the numerator? Let me just rub this. So you can see numerator में क्या आ गया आपके पास? 11 multiply by, you can see 105, sorry 3 multiply by 105, multiply by 105, right? So this is in the numerator. You can see 11, 3, 105 and 105, right? So denominator में क्या है? 10 into 4, right? So let me just write down here. So now further हमें solve करना है इसको. So 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 4. You can see 4 into 100 लिख लेता हूँ, right? So 10 into 10 is 100 and 4 as it is. Now 11 into 3, that is 33. Now let me just check out 105 into 105, right? So if I just multiply it twice, so if I just change the marker here, so 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, then 5 zeros are 0, 2 as it is, so 5 1s are 5. Now again you can see there will be 0, 0, 0. Then 2 multiply, so 1 into 105 will be 105. So let me just add them. So 5 as it is, 2 as it is, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, there will be 1, right? So 1, 1, 0, 2, 5. Let me just check out here. So 5, 2, 5 and 5, 10, there will be 1 and there will be 1, right? So here you can see we have got 1, 1, 0, 2, 5. So let me just place it here. So 1, 1, 0, 2, 5, right? So now we have to multiply this by 33, right? So let me just rub this. So this time you can see 1, 1, 0, 2, 5 multiply by 33, right? So 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 zeros are 0 and 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3. Now similar thing will come out. So मैं दोबारा लिख लेता हूँ. You can see 5, 7, 0, 3, 3. Right, so let me just add them. So there will be 5, 5 plus 7, there will be 12, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, there will be 8. Then 3 as it is, 3 plus 3, 6 and 3, right? So 3, 6, 3, 8, 2, 5, right? So there will be 3, 6, 3, 8, 2, 5. Now divide by, now you can see 4 into 100, right? So मैं इनको अलग-अलग क्यों रख रहा हूँ? Because मैं अब इसको किससे divide करूँगा? 4 से. Then दो जो आंसर आएगा डेसिमल में, मैं डेसिमल को 2 digits earlier shift कर दूंगा, पहले shift कर दूंगा, right? So now it's task that we have to divide this by 4, right? So if I just write here, so 3, 6, 3, 8, 2, 5, right? So let me just divide this, you can see by 4, right? So 4 9s are 36, right? So that will be reduced. Now मैं 2 digits as it is उतार लेता हूँ. So यहाँ पे एक 0 आ जाएगी, right? So 4 9s are 36, right? Again you can see there will be 2 remaining. So अब मैं next digit उतार लेता हूँ, so that will be 22, right? So 4 5s are 20, right? So what will remain here? 2 again, so that will bring 5. So यहाँ पे 4 6 are 24, right? So 1 remaining. Now you can put a decimal, that will give you a 0. Now 4, you can see 2 are 8, right? So there will again remaining 2 here. Then you can see again, you can see decimal से 0 आएगी, so 4 5 are 20. So you can see the complete division here. So it is a terminating decimal, right? So कितना आ गया आपके पास यहाँ पर? You can see इनका division, that is 90956 point, you can see 25. You can see, compare it here. So 90956.25. So 90956.25 divide by, you can see 100. Still it is present. So दो 0 है, तो ये decimal जो है 2 digit पहले आ जाएगा, right? So here you can see. So there will be 909.5625, right? Now you can see the radius was in centimeter. So there will be centimeter cube, right? Now let me just tell you, we have to calculate that how many liters of milk this bowl can actually hold, right? So let me just tell you, यहाँ पे एक relation है, that is 1 liter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, right? So यहाँ पे centimeter cube को अगर liter में convert करना है, so you can see that will be the similar thing. So 909.5625 liters, right? Because they are equal, right? So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 centimeter cube, अब मैं इसको क्या लिख सकता हूँ? As you can see 1 centimeter cube 1 liter लगा दिया. So that will be 909.5625 liters as well, right? So this is, you can see the amount of milk, you can see in liters, this hemispherical bowl can actually hold. That is 909.5625 liters, right? So that was all in this question here.